Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out these STARink 962XL ink cartridge replacements. So these will fit a few different HP printers of the OfficeJet Pro 9010 series through basically 9022. So this comes with a 4-pack here. And we have the large black ink one there. And then we have the Cyan, Magenta, and yellow. Also has a little thing on here. If it doesn't work right away when you put it in, just take it out, try it again. Sometimes the printers can be a little finicky as far as what ink cartridges they want to take. But that's understandable. Anyways, these look like these will be nice replacements, my friends. Pretty good details here as far as how this looks pretty good quality. I don't see any leak as far as the ink or anything like that. We have our little chip right there as well. So these should be nice and compatible. Thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. Hope it's helpful. Have a great day, and I'll catch you next time.